Starting with more than 6 feet of paracord, tie a slip knot to one end. You know it's tied correct when you can just pull the tail end of your string and it comes loose. Create this S shape with the paracord and about the width of your wrist. Go to the opposite side of your slip knot and just start twisting, leaving that bubble at the end. Keep wrapping paracord around the base of your bracelet till you reach your slip knot. Once you reach your slip knot, there should be a bubble right next to it. Slip the end of your paracord through that bubble. You may have to cut your paracord if you're not as professional as I am. Once you got your string through that loop by the slip knot, pull the bottom loop, which will tighten the top loop, holding the end of the paracord in place. Now pull the slip knot, it will tighten the loop at the bottom of your bracelet. Now bend and break in your paracord bracelet. Putting it on is simple. Just push the slip knot through the loop at the back of your bracelet. I built a bracelet in under 2 minutes. Now let's see how fast I can unbuild it. To take apart your bracelet, pull the end of your slip knot and pull out that string in the top loop. Then pull the string where your slip knot was. There, you have 6 feet of paracord in under 10 seconds.